Saying just is started. We have Bahrain break quickly at the start, running by the rail comes Irish Mile, and on the outside key Lager Bombs treasure in the middle portion. El Cid comes next, Sunday Street, then followed over by entry number 9 Kapit Bahaya, and going along for the first turn we have Bombs treasure by about 3 lengths. Right behind in second is Key Lager. Irish Mile is down on the inside third. Bahrain El Cid comes next. Sunday Street moving up on the outside. Prospector's got and on the outside now is Fighting Jack. Royal Friend is down on the inside. Extreme Power while Kapit Bahaya is racing less. Back to the leader, we have Bombs Treasure. This time by about 6 lengths. Key Lager in second, moving up on the outside. Bahrain El Cid is down in fourth. Next on line is Irish Mile, moving up Sunday Street. Down on the inside, Extreme Power. And they are now entering the home stretch. We have Bombs Treasure maintaining a 20.5 lengths lead. Bahrain now coming closer in second as they swing for Roma. We have Bombs Treasure. Bahrain now moving up on the outside to take the lead. Last 100 meters, we have Bahrain by about 2 lengths, followed by Bombs Treasure. And finally, it's Bahrain, Bombs Treasure, El Cid, Key Lager. Then comes Royal Friend and Extreme Power for your Super 6.